Get ready to spit that shit.
Hold on. Alright. What up, y'all? Hope y'all having a great morning. Right here, we're going to show you how to start your morning off the best way possible. A little bit of breakfast. We make our own English muffins around here. None of that from the store and out the bag shit, you feel me? We ain't bougie. We use a cup to cut our English muffins. Go ahead and get your pan real nice and medium heaty. A little bit of grease in there. Fry off them English muffins real nice, such like. Oh yeah, let that Moody beat ride out. Shout out Gerald Moneti. After a couple minutes on one side, one flip. Two flip. Three flip. Four flip. And finally five flip. Make your own damn clarified butter. Don't be that asshole that goes to Whole Foods and spends $9 on some ghee. Alright, we're gonna make this hollandaise sauce right here real quick. Start off with some egg yolks, a couple splashes of your favorite hot sauce, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, wrist action. Get in there real good. Make sure you're whisking it up real nice. Go ahead and hit it with a little bit of lemon juice. And a little bit more wrist action. You're going to bring your yolks over to your double boiler, which you should have on the stove already. Hit it with a little bit of more wrist action. Trying to get a nice ribbon consistency here. If it gets too thick, don't worry. Throw a little bit of warm water in there. More wrist action. Keep pushing. I bring this back over to the counter. And you're going to take that homemade clarified butter that you got. Slowly wrist actions that shit in there. Oh yeah, you see that face? I'm smiling because I saved so much money by making my own clarified butter. Oh yeah, like a nice pair of Timbs in the New York morning is butter. Hey yo, don't ever let me catch you using instant grits. I swear I'll smack fire out your ass, Duke. You should have some milk and some sugar over there on the stove. Go ahead and throw your grits in there. Hit it with a little bit of that wrist action. Oh, that's a sweet Moody beat we got going in the back right there. Oh, he's sexy. You're gonna go ahead over here and hit it with a little bit of that E40, man. It's a little bit of sprinkle me, sprinkle me, sprinkle me. Ain't no such thing as too much cheese, player. A little bit of honey for that sweetness. Nice and thick. Just like how I like my women. Now there's two types of people in this world. Those that prefer the smell of sausage in the morning, and those that prefer the smell of bacon in the morning. Which one are you? Nothing like waking up in the morning to some sausage. Pause. Ooh, peep them knife cuts right there. That's what $50,000 of culinary school will get you. You'll hit them the same way that you hit them English muffins. Flip, 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 and flip. Nice and caramelized and crunchy on the outside. Oh yeah, that's looking like some sausage. Shout out vegans. Nah, not really, I'm just playing. This right here is proof that you can't always be perfect in life.
Instant grits?
No self-respecting Southerner uses instant grits. I take pride in my grits.
So, how could it take you 5 minutes to cook your grits when it takes the entire grit-eating world 20 minutes?
I don't know. I'm a fast cook, I guess.
I'm sorry, I was all the way over here. I couldn't hear you. Did you say you're a fast cook?
I'm a fast cook, I guess. Ooh, yeah, look at that glistening sweetness. Hey yo, if you got into it with your girl the night before, you wake up in the morning and hit her with one of these, it's like it never even happened. Look at them, they love it. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. You got some hate you want to throw my way? Say it in the comments. You got some love you want to throw my way? Say it in the comments. Either way, I'll reply and talk that shit. Not bad, right?
No, that was actually fire.